I'm just gonna start streaming. I don't give no never mind. Hey y'all! Hey everybody! Bonjour! Bonjour, Niche Anishinaabe Doog. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe. Welcome. I just want to welcome y'all to Bonjour, NANABOOZHOO. It's a podcast. What do I do with that here? Welcome to Bonjour, NANABOOZHOO. A podcast about Ojibwe language and Ojibwe culture. My name is Emily. Over here we got Natasha. Bonjour, Gakita Awia. Over in that corner over there is Michael Lyons. He's the rock star cartoonist. Say hello, Michael Lyons. Hey everybody, welcome to the show. And of course, NANABOOZHOO. He's the host of the show, Bonjour, NANABOOZHOO. Ikadon Bonjour, NANABOOZHOO. Say hello. Okay, Bonjour, Gakinawia. And today we're going to start the show with some songs. With what you guys are in the car with this one, ain't you? Yeah, I think so. All right. So buckle up. Welcome to the show. And without further ado. Now you'd think I would have paid attention to where I set that. What is it? I want to play that video y'all recorded, but I can't rightly. Oh, here it is. I'd lose my hat if it weren't attached.
Oh, how you doing there, sweetheart?
Oh, I'm doing pretty good.
Should we sing a song?
A song?
Do you know any good car songs?
Oh, let me think. I don't know.
Let's see, what's a good car song? I don't know, what is it? How about I'm sailing away, set an open course for the virgin sea, and I've got to be free. Nah, that's a stupid song. I think the best car songs have got to be, classic rock for sure.
Classic rock?
Or maybe, I don't know any country songs. Good classic rock song. Something by Boston.
You forget about me after I've been gone.
Woke up this morning and the sun was gone. Turn on some music to start my day. Lost myself now. All right.
Check 1 2, check 1 2. Check 1 2, check 1 2. It's just seeing how well the audio. Let's see, how do you want to do this?
Emily's got one crazy eye. She looks to the west and she looks to the sky. Don't ask how she
I don't know if that
sees when she looks. She's
all right.
watching you and me.
Do you want to look at some gibberish?
And Emily knows something about blow. Dizzy white snow finds its way up her nose.
Hey, Grandma. What is it, honey? Have you seen my coat? Did you check the closet? Did I check the closet? Oh no, I was looking in the fridge here. Thanks. What a good tip. Oh, here is this. Never mind.
I can only say that
decided to quit the show.
You're quitting the show? Why?
Well, I just figured it's time, Sometimes a man's just gotta do what a man's gotta do, right? You understand, don't you?
No.
Well, I'm sorry, Natasha, but I gotta do this.
But I'm gonna miss you.
I know. I'm gonna miss you too.
This is the best I could do with what I had and all I knew, and we will fight all night. I don't see how we got here now, and this is all I have, and now it's all I have to give. But I can only say that I've seen better days. This is my mistake, and I'll get only what I take.
I don't know, you got anything you want to add to this?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I guess. So just want to remind everyone, if you want to support this show financially, you can send us a PayPal, buy us a cup of makere mush, GIGAWABAMIN, buy us a cup of coffee. Or we have a Patreon page where people sign up monthly. And if you sign up on Patreon, we'll send you a book like Snow on Skin. Or just come over to YouTube and subscribe. We got a lot of fun stuff over there too. Alright. I don't know, I guess that's all I had to say.
Okay. Alright, well let's just wrap it up then.
Okay.
Okay, hey, bonjour. Wait, what's going on here? There we go. Now I look better. Okay, hey, bonjour. Welcome back to the show. Well, I guess you guys were here the whole time. Who's there? Joan? Bonjour, Joan. Mino Gigaje. Good morning. And James Shagobe. Bonjour, Niji. How you doing? Good to see you. Oh, it's a pretty morning. Thought I'd come out and say a little prayer before we get too carried away with the show. I like to start my days with a prayer. So here's just a short prayer in Ojibwe. Can you guys even read that? Probably not. If I made it a little bigger. There we go.
All right. This is for the kids. Spiritual instruction. What is prayer? Well, prayer is saying hello to the Great Spirit. So I always start with just saying hello. Hello, Great Spirit. Bonjour, GIGAWABAMIN. Thank you for this beautiful day. Miigwech kaiji mikawadas gijagud. Miigwech kaiji mikawadas gijagud. Beautiful day. Thank you for my life. Miigwech gabamadaziyan. Miigwech gabamadaziyan. Oh, and this is a good one. I always have to do this before I do a live stream. Help me to speak well today. We dukawishin. Ando minawe nungum. We dukawishin. Help me. We dukawishin. Ando minawe nungum. To speak well. Nungum today. Amen. Ape inge. Ape inge. Amen kind of just means, that's enough, I think. You can also say, miuminik. Miuminik. Yeah. Oh, wow, John Redcorn's back. Hey, bonjour, John. John says, Odapanan niwi asema. Oh, yeah, I got to put out my tobacco. What am I thinking? I always offer tobacco to the Great Spirit. You can offer tobacco to the 4 directions, too. You can offer tobacco to Mother Earth. I've even known fishermen who offer tobacco, and they'll sprinkle a little tobacco into the lake before they fish, so that the fish will offer themselves up. Gichimanado, Odapana niwi asema. Odapan, accept my tobacco. And then I just sprinkle a little on the ground. I guess technically you should put it into a pipe and smoke it. Opwagan. Opwagan. One thing I learned about Ojibwe people and pipes, anytime you see, a so-called medicine man or a pipe carrier smoking an Indian pipe these days, it'll be this long, even mine, I have a pipe around here. There's just a long stem like you see in the movies. Old pipestone bowl there, and a big long wooden stem. And I think we kind of stole that from the Dakota or from the Hollywood. In any Indian movie in the old days, they always smoke out of these really you can barely reach the bowl. It almost looks like a flute. But they're holding out this pipe like there's no tomorrow. And but then I was looking at these old pictures of Red Lakers, and there was these old women were smoking a pipe, but it was like corn cob pipe. It was a pipe made out of a corn cob. There was also a lot of pictures of farms up in Red Lake. They used to farm up there. It used to be a farming community. I don't know what happened, but I got the impression that Indian pipes or Ojibwe pipes were little. They weren't these great big long things that you'd be having to lug around like you're carrying a sword or something. No, it's just like a pipe like, Sherlock Holmes or whatever. I don't think it really matters. Jim Dunn, Jim Dunn. Bonjour, Jim. How you doing? And Wally Bear. Oh, hey, Pinocchio. How old are you, Niji? How dare you call me Pinocchio? I'm 56 years old. I'm 56 years young. Don't you hate it when people say that? Oh, look who's 90 years young today. Like it's so embarrassing to be old. It's only embarrassing to be old when you're a woman. Up next, coming up next in today's news, the world's oldest attractive woman celebrates her 36th birthday. Why? Prove me wrong. I've been thinking about old Hugh Jackman and his mom. They just got a divorce. I mean, his wife. And everybody's like, "Oh no, what happened? They seem so happy. They were married for 27 years. Can you believe it?" It's like, yeah. And why did they get a divorce? It's like, well, let me think. He's Hugh Jackman, and she's a 70-year-old woman who looks like a 70-year-old woman. I'm sorry. Love is only so blind. You can't end up looking like Hugh Jackman's wife and expect to stay married. Who? Cardi B? Cardi B. I know that name. She's a pop singer. I think she's a gross pop singer. Who's Cardi B? I don't know any relevant pop cultural references anymore. I'm too old. I'm still talking about stuff from like the old days. It's like, did you hear what George W. Bush did the other day? Like, who's president? What's his name? Biden? They say Biden's going to run another 4 years. Like, how long do they expect that guy to live? I think he's already 80. Oh, yeah. I think we should have mandatory retirement. When you're 65, there's no more jobs. You should have saved up your money. But no. He is the best, smartest, most competent leader America could come up with. But don't worry, if anything happens, that old cackling Kamala Harris, cackling Harris I call her, she's ready to step in. She's one heartbeat away from leading the United States of America. And boy, wouldn't that be hilarious? Like, it's been pretty funny watching Joe Biden just sort of slip into, stage 4 dementia, Alzheimer's disease, whatever it is. But it's also been kind of fun watching Kamala Harris, who's obviously high. Okay, pot smokers, can we all just admit, I know what a person who's high and has the giggles looks like. Kamala Harris is a all day long pot smoker. She doesn't appear stoned, but she acts stoned. She's got stoner laugh. And she doesn't know what she's saying. She can't focus. She's just winging it like a stoner. Wally Bear says, Michael put on an awesome show last night. I dare you to outperform him there, NANABOOZHOO. You think I can outperform Michael Lyons? He's a rock star cartoonist. But I'll try. Well, he's a big boy, his biggest boy. I don't know. What am I doing? Yeah, if you guys haven't seen, last night Michael came on live stream and played some music. It was pretty good. I think he talked about some stuff. This morning was one of those mornings where I over prepared. I couldn't get myself to just jump on and hey, boozhoo. I kept on thinking and planning and trying to it was stupid. But anyway. Yeah, so Kamala Harris is going to be the next president. First woman of color. First female woman, bisexual woman of color to become president. I guess she never heard of Barack Obama. You guys think Barack Obama's a woman? I mean, everyone's saying that Michelle's a guy and that Barack Obama's gay. Yeah, that would make sense. This couple of dudes, and Barack Obama and Michelle's just dressed up as a lady. But what if Michelle was a man and Barack was a girl? And it was like crisscross. Just it wouldn't be like the White House. It'd be like the Rainbow House. It'd be the House of Madness and the House of Lies. The White House. Oh, look out. Here comes the Chamokaman house. Let's go put a black couple in a White House. That was called the White House. Apparently you guys didn't listen to the Founding Fathers. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the reservation to Cass Lake and, Red Lake, all the way down to White Earth, over to Fond du Lac, the Fond Jews. What am I talking about? I'm going to go back, B'nai Shiag. Go see what Natasha's up to. Yeah, I'm not doing anything out here. You guys gonna be okay if I leave? I don't know, man. Yeah, I'll be back. Yeah, I'll see you later. That's our word today. I'll see you later. Isn't it? Or is it October? I don't even know what our word is today. The moon, that was yesterday's. Yeah, no, today is October. Benakwe Jesus. Benakwe Jesus, guys. The leaves are falling. Have you noticed? It's the fall moon. The falling leaves moon. Yeah, that's what we call October, or this time of year anyway. Yep. Leaves change, leaves fall, and then the snow comes. Well, I'm telling you, because you're not even a year old. You probably don't even know. Weren't you born like this last spring? Yeah, look out. It's your winter is coming. All right. I was gonna teach them how to say see you later, Bamapi. GIGAWABAMIN, Bamapi, APII. But instead I changed that too. What are we doing? Alright. But I'll see you again. GIGAWABAMIN. Minowa. B'nai Shiag. Birds. Alright. Boop 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 boop. Beep beep. Beep beep. Boozhoo. Hey, sweetie. Oh, hi, NANABOOZHOO. You ready to come in? Yeah, can you pick me up? You got it. And that's one to teleport. Make it so, number one. No. Hey, baby. Well, hi. How you doing? I'm doing great. We're having some technical difficulties this morning. Yeah, I know. I had just appeared out of nowhere and bad camera outside. But, well, I think I look pretty good now. Oh, you look awesome. Hey, Michael Lyons, what's going on? Yeah, not much. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. Don't burp. And, of course, Emily. Hi, y'all. Emily's here today because we're doing that song. But, what was I going to do here? I was going to talk about Michael's book. Did you guys know that Michael wrote a book called Ojibwe? I did know that. Ojibwe. On sale now at Amazon.com. Have you ever wondered how come I don't have a book of cartoons that teach me an Ojibwe word of the day? There's got to be a better way. Well, now there is. Ojibwe. It's also got a little cutie story too, huh? Yeah, little cutie and some coloring book pages. The cartoons of Michael Lyons. No gibberish. Bring, 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 bring. Oh, hang on, honey, phone's ringing. Boozhoo! Well, hi. Yeah, sure, you could be on the show. You want to talk to NANABOOZHOO? Okay, hang on, I'm going to transfer you. NANABOOZHOO, Cookie Monster's online too. Oh, I don't want to talk to that guy. Well, you got to talk to Cookie Monster. He wants to say hello. All right. Line 2. Line 2. Hello, Cookie Monster. Welcome to the show.
Ah, me love cookie. Me love cookie.
Yeah, we know you love cookies. What can I do for you?
I want cookie.
You know, Cookie Monster, it's time for some tough love. What you're doing, it's not okay.
Me love cookie.
Yeah, I know you love cookie. Cookies are bad. You know, nobody wants to say anything because nobody respects you, all right? But I'm your friend, so I'm going to tell you something. What? You see, Cookie Monster, the sugar and the fat and whatever is in chocolate chip cookies, after all these years of you just gorging yourself, being a total glutton, just a pig, they should call you Miss Piggy. No.
Me love cookie.
Yeah. But it's rotted your brain. You make no sense. Your voice is fried. You know, you keep eating like that, you're going to get fat. You're going to get diabetes. You've already lost all your teeth.
Yeah, me have cavity.
Yeah. And you remind me of like these sort of like Lizzo or these fat acceptance pigs. Don't say that. You know, you're setting a bad example for the children. You know, you're supposed to be like an educator, a children's educator. You know, it's a children's television workshop. Sesame Street was supposed to be an educational show. And what happens? You show up showing kids that it's okay to just gorge yourself on sugar and act all crazy and methed out.
Me love meth too.
You're doing meth now?
Yeah.
Well, we'll talk about that another day. But you got to give up the cookies.
Me sad.
Well, I don't want to make you sad, but I'm not being a friend if I'm not being honest. Wally Bear says, Cookie Monster sounds bipolar, but at least he doesn't look like JF. At least he doesn't look like JF. Who's JF? John F. Kennedy. John F. Kennedy. At least he doesn't have a bullet hole in the head. John F. Kennedy. Listen, man, what can I do for you?
Me want learn how say October in Ojibwe. Yeah!
Okay. October in Ojibwe is Benakwi Gizas. We call this time of year the leaves falling moon. Benakwi Gizas.
Benakwi Jesus! Benakwi Jesus! The falling moon. October!
Okay, man. I gotta go.
How say bye in Ojibwe?
Well, we don't really say goodbye, Cookie. I'll see you again. GIGAWABAMIN. Minawa.
GIGAWABAMIN, Minawa! GIGAWABAMIN, Minawa! Ah! Ah!
I had to hang up on him. I'm done suffering fools. You know, it's just like all these fat people coming on TikTok and stuff saying, hey, I'm beautiful, kids. You should look at me. Look how fat I am. Fat and proud. Tess Holiday, there's another one. You don't like Tess Holiday? Oh, no. It's a terrible example to children. You know, the fatties are taking over the world. And this has been your Ojibwe Word of the Day. Okay, sweetie. What else are we going to do? Do you want to take another call? There's another call? Yeah, someone's online too. I don't know, man. Just take it. I ain't feeling it. Hello, caller. Welcome to the show. You're on the air. Hey there, boy. It's me. It's President Biden. It's President Biden. That's no fooling. Yeah, I know it's you. What can I do for you, Mr. President? Thank you for calling the show. Yeah, man, I was just, I was watching your program there, and I want to run for president 4 more years. I want to be I'm going to reclaim the soul of America. Because let me tell you something. Just watch me. Just watch me. Just. He did it again. I know. Mr. President. Mr. President. Huh? Who's that? I fell asleep. I got spit on the side of my mouth. Bo, is that you? No, Bo is dead. Oh, right. Am I dead? No, you just fell asleep. You Hunter? No, this is NANABOOZHOO. You called the show. Oh, right. You got that funny little program, teaches Ojibwe. The Ojibwe language word of the day. Hey, what's your Ojibwe word of the day? I want to learn the Ojibwe because I used to speak Ojibwe. You did not. Yeah, no fooling. When I was a kid, I worked at the pool there, and I was I was a bad dude. It was corn pop. But I was an Indian. I ran around and we played cowboy and Indian. But I didn't want to be a cowboy because I like the Indian. How does the Indian? How do they say October? In Ojibwe, Mr. President, we call this time of year the falling leaves moon. Binakwi Gizas. Falling leaves moon. Falling leaves moon. I took a tumble myself once or twice. I was riding my bicycle. I fell right over it. That's true. That's not hyperbole. That's shankrashekt. How do you say that? Binakwi Gizas. Binakwi Gizas. Falling leaves moon. Well, I'll be darned. I don't know what you Indians will come up with now. You know, my vice president, she's a colored girl. Yeah, we were just talking about her. She might be the next president if you, survive this presidency and then run again and are selected to be the next president. Yeah, I got more votes than Barack Obama. I called him out. I was like, who's bad now? And he was like, you got me confused with Michael Jackson. And I was like, no, I'm bad. I'm bad to the bone. And then he said, no, now you think that I'm that guy from that other... Should I just let him sleep? I don't know. Hey, Joe. Huh? Who is that? What, Kamala? No, it's Barack Obama. What's my name? You're NANABOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO. Oh, yeah, NANABOOZHOO. Hey, what's your Ojibwe word of the day? I don't got time for this. GIGAWABAMIN, Minawa. I'll see you again. Wait. How do you say that? GIGAWABAMIN, Minawa. GIGAWABAMIN, Minawa. Jack. Yeah, no fooling. You're not wild about Joe Biden, are you? I don't respect him enough to dislike him, but it's just hard to hold a conversation with that idiot. Jim says, Donald Trump has been holding on line 2. Oh, really? Is Donald Trump on line 2? No, do you want me to call him? Yeah, could you? I could call him. Sure, hang on. Let me look up his number. We're going to call Joe Biden, or Donald Trump. Okay, let me see. Donald J. Trump. We got Air Force One. That must be an old number. Yeah, he doesn't fly Air Force One anymore. We've got Mar-a-Lago. All right. And we've got Putin's guest house number. Okay. And then his cell number.
Why don't you just call the cell number?
Okay. And
I can't believe you can just Google Donald Trump's number.
Yeah, you get all his phones. It's ringing. Hello. Is this Donald Trump? Yeah, Donald J. Trump. Yes, Hi, this is Natasha from the NANABOOZHOO podcast. You want to talk to NANABOOZHOO and be on the show? Yeah, we're on live right now. Okay, hang on, I'm going to transfer you. He's on line 2, NANABOOZHOO.
Line 2. Hey, Mr. Former President Donald J. Trump. Welcome to the show.
Yes, hello there, NANABOOZHOO. How you doing? It's a tremendous day. It's a beautiful day. It's going to be huge. What do you want? I'm a very busy man, I got to run for president. They're telling me I'm going to win again. I don't know if that's true, but that's what they're telling me. But I don't get time for this. What do you want?
I just wanted to call. I had Joe Biden on the line, and he's going to be running for president again. You know, he beat you last time.
You know that Lion Joe, Sleepy Joe Biden, Crooked Joe Hillary Biden. I think he's not really fit to be president, if you ask me.
You don't think he's fit?
The man's got one foot in the grave. That's what they're telling me. Maybe it's true. I don't know. But it would be tremendous if he ran, because I would beat him. I would beat him into submission, because I am Donald J. Trump.
Yeah, but you didn't last time. Last time, though, America rallied around Joe Biden, it seems.
You believe that election wasn't rigged? What's the matter with you?
No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, obviously, Joe Biden, there's no way he could have won the popular vote or any vote. Nobody wanted him. Even Democrats don't want him. But that makes me wonder, did you really win? Are elections even real? Are you guys all part of just one big stupid club of actors on a world stage?
No, that's preposterous. Why would anyone think I was a reality TV actor? I'm a very serious man, a serious politician, and a serious businessman, and a loyal husband, father, and occasional golf enthusiast.
Yeah, you're real loyal. What's this, your third wife, who you also cheated on?
You know, a man's got needs, and sometimes what the wife doesn't know is just as well.
Yeah, okay.
By the way, what is the Ojibwe word of the day?
Ojibwe word of the day? Well, we were talking about October. I suppose that's... Oh, actually, what do you think of this? The Dybbuk Jesus moon.
Dybbuk Jesus, the moon. Yes. You know, I started Space Force. You've heard of the Air Force and the Marine Force and the Naval whatever force and the Police Force. Well, now we have the Space Force.
Yeah. That's when I knew you were full of crap, too.
What do you mean?
Do you believe we went to the moon?
Well, of course we went to the moon. The brave Americans in the 1960s landed on the moon. Maybe the early 70s, I don't know. Buzz Aldrin, Armstrong, and that other guy.
Yeah. See, I know you're not anything other than a puppet.
Hey, don't say that. That's a hate word.
Not to use a hate term, but you're just a puppet of the world government or whatever, whoever really in charge at the top of the pyramid. Or you would have told us that we faked the moon landing. You would have told us that outer space is fake, science fiction. All science fiction is just fiction. You would have admitted that.
But I couldn't. You have no idea. Even now, there's a CIA guy with a gun pointed right at my head. If I step out of line just once, Who knows what could... Donald Trump? Donald Trump? Ah, crap. I think Donald Trump just got assassinated. He can't be assassinated. He's not president anymore. Okay, he just got shot. Very sorry, everyone. But apparently, breaking news, an assassination attempt and success of our beloved Don. Dun, 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 Donald Trump. Kids, I'm just kidding. He didn't really die. That was just Michael doing a Donald Trump impersonation. Isn't that right, Michael? Yeah, that's true. Can you get up here and say hello? Sure. You guys want to talk to Michael? Sweetie, will you teleport me out of here? Yeah, sure. All right. I'm going to go back outside. When to teleport? Make it so, number one. No. It's not working. Did you jiggle the wire? Yeah, I'm jiggling the wire. Hi, everybody. It's me, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. Does that look okay? That's the wrong one. That's not working. There we go. Hey there. Oh, this is so stupid, you guys. I'm sorry. It's time to start the music. It's time to light the light. Everybody's just switched off, 'cause nobody needs to see all of this. Welcome to Behind the Scenes with Michael Lyons. This is just to give you a little inside look at what it takes to put on this show. Get rid of the chroma key. Let's close that. Shut off this light. Oh, my hair is so greasy and gross. I dropped my cookie. Oh, you guys don't need to see this stuff. Never mind what that was, Wally Bear. So how you guys doing? Okay. Now I'm situated. Microphone's working. How many people are here? 3 concurrent viewers. It's always just the 3 of us, guys. I don't know what it's going to take to get people to start watching the show again. I'm pretty sure Wally Bear has alienated a couple of viewers. Thanks a lot. But today I would like to talk once again about Tonto. Johnny Depp's Tonto. Everybody loves Johnny Depp except Amber Heard. When Johnny Depp came out, I don't even know what year it was anymore. It's many years ago now, probably 10 years. As this is, you know, what I call the Anishinaabe clown posse. A lot of people thought he was going to replace Paul Stanley in Kiss. Because Paul Stanley, as we all know, is getting older. Kiss is doing their last tour, they said. But again, it's called the End of the Road Tour. Who knows what that really means? But some rumors have been going around that maybe Kiss will continue touring, but Gene Simmons and Paul Stanley will step down, and that Johnny Depp will become the lead singer, and his character will be the Crow. And Gene Simmons' son, Nick, will take over on bass. I think Peter Criss has a daughter. I don't know if she plays drums or not. Maybe she could play drums. Does Ace Frehley have any kids? I think Ace Frehley has a kid too. But I actually really loved Tonto. I mean, it was a terrible, typical Disney movie. And it was all satanic and everything. But there was just something, Johnny Depp is one of those actors that you'd be entertained just watching him putz around his house, vacuuming. There's some people who just have such a charisma. And Paul Stanley's one of them. The other person who had all kinds of charisma was David Bowie. The Thin White Duke. The Return of the Thin White Duke. Hello. Hello, everyone. It's me, David Bowie. I'm not really dead. I've just... Let's see how... Here we go. Hello. Let's dance. Put on your red shoes and dance the blues. I'm going crazy over the rainbow. What if I was Donald Trump? This is what I should have done all along. Let me tell you just one thing. Sleepy Joe Biden, he's a criminal, he's a crook. Hunter is a crack addict, and he dates prostitutes. Of course, so do I. Stormy Daniels, I gave her $1 million to keep her fat mouth shut. She wouldn't keep it shut. Sometimes, I don't know. But there's one thing I always do when I talk. I also dance like this. Young man, I love the YMCA. Maybe it's true. That's what they're telling me. I love YMCA. Because you see, Donald Trump is also part of the secret society. That's one of a devil horn. Donald J. Trump is a Satanist. And this is the OK or the 666 sign. When you do it like this, it becomes white power. Wait, how does that work? I don't know. It's tremendous. It's huge. But we'll never have another president quite like Jumpin' Joe Biden. Hey, everybody. I can smell you. I can smell your hair there. No fooling, I can. That's right. Corn Pop, he was a bad dude. And I was like, well, you're going to fight. I'm going to wrap this bicycle chain right around your neck.
That's right. You know, I got a colored girl for a vice president. Yeah. No fooling. She's doing a good job. Kamala. I don't know. I mean, what can you say? I don't know what to do. But let me just hey, can I touch you? Can I yeah. Oh, hello, Kamala. Come here, Kamala. No, I'm just kidding. Why does everyone got to? Why does everyone got to make such a big? You can't joke anymore. You know, I can't just joke around. I mean, what's wrong? What's wrong with that? I just don't know sometimes. Well, what's your Ojibwe word today? GIGAWABAMIN, I will see you again. Ain't that the darndest thing? I will see you again, Jack. Yeah. That's what they say in Indian. I will see you again. And then if you want to say October, you gotta say Benakwi Gizes. That's the leaves falling moon. Leaves falling moon. Yeah. The leaves, they fall. They like to fall. Yeah. When Paul Stanley was in the Tears Are Falling video, he did a lot of this. It's known as jazz hands. Oh, no, tears are falling. I like that boy. He's a good boy. I want to rock and roll all night and party every day. But no, I'm just kidding. I don't like to rock and, but I do have some plans. Oh, we got some plans. Me and Barack Obama. He was a colored boy too. He was my boss for a while, but I was like, hey, look who's president now, huh? Look who's the big kahuna now. Me, Jack. This guy right here. Who's got 2 thumbs and loves to sniff your hair? This guy. Who's got 2 thumbs, likes to go swimming naked in the pool? This guy. That's right, this guy right here. I like to go swimming naked in the pool. You don't believe me? Hey, who used to take naked showers with their daughter? This guy. Yeah. My daughter, she wrote some kind of, I don't know what you call it. Autobiography? Yeah, she's a mess. All of my kids, they became drug addicts. What did I say? What kind of a father was I if my daughter, she ends up in drug treatment and she's got drug problems and depression and, she tells people about how we used to shower together. I was like, hey, dummy, don't be telling people how I used to shower with you. Do I got to tell you everything? I'm trying to run a country here. But, I just... Wally's got to pee. I got to pee. I got to pee every 5 minutes. I'm 80 years old, you guys. I just peed a little bit sitting there. Yeah. How about that? I just peed. Are you happy now? Are you happy watching your president pee? What is this? But yeah, so my daughter, she goes to drug rehab. My son Hunter, he's famously on every drug. And Bo, I don't know what happened to him. Sometimes I say he died of cancer. Sometimes he died in war fighting the Nazis. I don't remember. I'm 80 years old, you guys. Corn Pop, he was a bad dude. He was a real bad dude. I used to say, hey, go get that boy. That boy over there. I got a bicycle chain I'm going to wrap around his neck. That's right. Well, now I'm just being stupid. So it's time to go. But listen, before I go, I want to teach y'all an Ojibwe word of the day. Can I teach you an Ojibwe phrase? Is that all right? No fooling. This is no joke. I'm going to teach you an Ojibwe phrase of the day. That Ojibwe phrase. GIGAWABAMIN. Minawa. GIGAWABAMIN. No fooling. I'm not kidding here. GIGAWABAMIN. Minawa. I will see you again. And I sure do appreciate your vote in September. September, not September. When is that? November? Is that coming up? Oh, a year from November. Yeah, okay. A year from November, if I'm still alive, I'm going to run for president, right? And, well, I surely do appreciate your vote. You know, if I die, Kamala Harris, I mean, you know what I'm saying? All right. Well, I'll see you again. GIGAWABAMIN. Minawa.